Welcome! Today, we'll learn about inventory analytics. Inventory analytics refers to the process of using data to monitor, analyze, and optimize inventory. There are four types of analytics when we're dealing with inventory. They are Descriptive, Diagnostic, Predictive, and Prescriptive. Let's see an example of each so we can understand them a little bit better. Descriptive analytics summarizes past performance. For example, we can track total sales by product category over the past year or current stock levels across warehouses. This type of data helps businesses understand what happened. Diagnostic analytics answers the why. For instance, if there's a sales drop or a productivity decline, diagnostic analytics helps uncover the reasons, whether through customer feedback or inventory imbalances. Moving forward, predictive analytics forecasts future trends. This can include sales forecasting for the next quarter, demand predictions to avoid stockouts, or identifying customers likely to churn. Finally, prescriptive analytics provides actionable recommendations. This might include suggesting optimal stock levels, pricing adjustments, or recommending the most efficient delivery routes. Now that we have a clear vision of what inventory analytics is, it's important to learn how the analytical structure looks like. First, we have all data sources that are part of your inventory. It could be many applications, such as Salesforce or SAP. And then you have your data destinations, where you'll analyze the data, build dashboards, and simply find other insights. It could be Excel or Power BI. The challenge that people usually face is in the middle, the connection between these two pillars to always keep the data structured and updated. And this is where Incorda comes up. Incorda is the bridge between your internal systems and data destinations. You can simply connect to your ERP with few clicks and be ready to share new insights. To wrap up, let's see what we call ABC, Product Inventory Analysis, a common descriptive analysis in logistics. First, I connected my data source to Incorda. Once my data schema is ready, I can start building reports or dashboards. In this case, I'll build the ABC product dashboard here in Incorda. With ABC categories set up for each product, I can quickly find out what is under minimum stock for category A, which is 1,000 units. Let's select only A products, set maximum stock to 1,000 and done. The list of products that are under minimum stock is ready for me to download or share. Well, I hope this video helped you understand more about inventory analytics. Thank you, and I see you on the next video.